Okay, so we're going to install a probe port, and this one's stainless steel. Basically what this does is it allows you to put in your temperature probes through here, crank this down to minimize the gap here, so that it just barely goes around the wires or the probes that go inside your smoker. And now there is a gauge on the top of the smoker pit. Sorry about the sun there, we're backlit. But it's notoriously not going to be accurate, and this way you can actually have a probe or dual probe, one into the meat and one into just to collect the ambient temperature. So sorry, here the camera's shaking because the mosquitoes are attacking me. The idea behind this is we're going to install it right on the side, and should be about a 3/4 inch hole that's needed to go through this steel. The best way to do that is either to drill a 1/4 inch pilot and then go to 3/4 inch and then step up from there, or you just use a step up bit, which is what I'm going to attempt. And periodically check the fitment of this. And you don't want the hole too big, or else this will be loose and you'll lose smoke and stuff out of the hole. So we're going to go ahead and give this a shot. Hopefully I don't screw it up. The painter's tape here is just to keep from scratching the outside of the barrel too much, and just to kind of give it a cleaner go, because the bit will tend to wobble on access before it digs in. So we're going to go ahead and get this started. I'll show you the end result. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, so there's the hole. We went to 3/4 on the step bit and then just went up to the next one, and the port fits in nice and snug. Now it's time to insert it and tighten it up. So here's the port. I'm going to insert that. It's pretty snug. I'm going to use the wrench to give it a little extra push, and I'll put the nut, which is down here, on the back side, get it all snugged up, and I'll show you the final install. Stand by. Okay, so we've got the nut on the inside tightened down. If you come on this side, this will focus. See how nice and snug it is right here? There's actually an O-ring that will help prevent any smoke leakage from between the metal of your smoker and the nut there. And now basically, you'll take your probes, put them through here, and tighten this down. And when you tighten this down, it tightens down the grommet or whatever that's on the inside here, down to 1/4 inch, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, which will minimize the amount of smoke that will leak through this. And the reason I put the probe here instead of on top of the lid is because the smoke's going to be drawn this way due to the smokestack, and so a little bit of smoke will come out this way instead of it mostly finding the path of least resistance and going up and out of the smoke chamber somewhere else. This way all the smoke is still coming over here, so it's going to come out this way anyway. I didn't want to have any premature leakage on the lid before I got to the actual smokestack itself. Alright, sorry about that. The battery died on me. So anyway, we'll get to show you how the probes get inserted on Sunday. You can see how much metal got shaved off when drilling this thing. It's on the inside too, so you might want to make sure that you kind of clean that out a little bit, so you're not melting any or stabbing yourself inside when you're cleaning your smoker out. But looks like my battery's about to die again. So anyway, that was our project for today. Hope you learned something. I did. So again, please like and subscribe. On to the next.